Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to create a copy of the NCP I tool for your own use in your own Google Drive. By having a copy of the file, it will also be easier for you to follow with the subsequent tutorial videos. Let's jump over to one of the videos. You will probably be at the introduction video, and scrolling down to view the description, there will always be 3 links in all of the videos. Let's focus on the first. The first link would open up the folder that contains all of the shared file alongside with this tool. It is important for you to first sign in to your Gmail. Notice here, once you have signed in, there will be a lot of functionality. But if you are not signed in, you will be greeted with this page instead, prompting you to sign in at the top, and over to the right, there would only be the prompt to download. We do not recommend downloading the file because it would ruin all of the formulas, if not most of the formulas, within the Google Sheet, because it would then convert it into an Excel format. So go ahead and sign into your own Gmail, and once you have signed in, there are 2 ways you can make a copy of this file in your own Google Drive. The first is to right-click on it, and there will be the prompt to make a copy. The second way is to click on this triple dot, and then you can make a copy. Let's right-click on it and make a copy. Once you have clicked on it, you will see the prompt down here that says creating the copy of the tool. Once it is created, it will be in your My Drive. It will take a while because the file is quite large itself. Now once you click over to your My Drive, you will expect to see the copy of this tool. You can then click into it to change the name for your own use. Take for instance, I put it as Ian. And all of the functionalities would retain as the original tool itself. Now let's head over to our video again and talk about this third link. This third link will immediately prompt you if you would like to create a copy of the tool. If you then click on make a copy, instead of having a prompt down here, you would see the loading happening at the top. Once the copy is created, you will then be brought to the page itself, to the file itself, sorry. This file will also be contained at your My Drive. If I now refresh my My Drive page, I will see 2 copies. This copy was created 2 minutes ago. This was created just a minute ago, which was the new one that we created. It is important to note that they would both have the same name if you did not change their name. So it is always important for you to go inside and change the name. Alright, that's all for the video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.